I'm going to be recording some fossils in archaeology mod. Before we get into that, I have to explain that I was gone in America and that I didn't have my computer or laptop with me, and I couldn't record, and you guys are mad and unsubscribed, and now I have 7. So I'm here with 2 of my friends, Neymar, and Tigaye. So they're gonna be commenting, and they recently got Minecraft. So I'm just gonna really quick explain my my schedule. So my schedule will be every Monday. You can tell me what a tutorial or something if you want to find out something, and I will do it. And Wednesday I will be recording some Resident Evil and a recommended video. Just comment and you can recommend me a video. And then Friday, Rust and Crazy Craft with Big Buffalo, yours truly. And Saturday, fossils in archaeology. That is why I'm here. And Kingdoms of the Sky and Pixelmon, but Big Buffalo's not here. So fossils. Done. Done. Great. Right. So we're just gonna hop in. So as you know, these are not with time limits. I'm just gonna have a few things to do, and until I don't do them, I will not end the video. So first order of business, lag. First order of business. Let's find a place to build our house. Oh yeah. All right. I hope you choke. Alright. So I'm hitting the seeds. You disgust me. Come here. Yes. I am so powerful. Alright. So this is what I'm gonna do. This is raw. Let's get some wood from here. Swap. Getting wood achievement unlocked. I just earned the achievement. So guys, what's up?
This guy.
Talk a bit louder. I don't think they can hear you. So we're gonna make some wood, obviously. And that seems like a good place, so it's time to build our house. First order of business is to build our house, of course. Done deal. I made 6 crafting tables. I don't know. I really don't know. It was an accident. Oh yeah, I shift clicked. God damn it. Chicken. I keep running. So many chickens. There are so many chickens. Oh, the chickens. Alright. So we're hungry. That's bad. So I was thinking that our front house would be 3 crafting tables. Improvisation. Alright. Now, let's get 3 wood and let's put down a bed. I have been poisoned. Shit. Lag. Work. Done. Done. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so we're back at our house. The 3 crafting tables. This is what we're gonna do. Put this here. This here. This here. This here. That's how you make a bed, guys. I like chicken. Nom, 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 nom. So let's put our bed down. Now we have a perfect place for night. Ooh. 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 Done. 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 And done. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. Tra-la-la-la. Alright, so let's go. Now don't run. What? Alright. So good. Let's go. So this is taking a while, but it's okay because I'm here. So obviously this is gonna be a slow beginning, but I'm just gonna lay the outline. Then we'll start on the mine. So we're gonna make a chest. We're gonna make 2 chests. No, we have 2 chests. We're gonna make tools. We're gonna make doors. We're gonna make the outline. Start a mine. That should be it for this house. But come on. Alright. Chicken. God damn chicken. See, if you don't run, you takes longer, but you get so much less hunger. Like you don't even know. Done, and they don't stack, cause I'm stupid. And now to make tools. Now to make more tools. Now to make even more tools. Now to make even more tools. You can see a pattern coming. There you go. Alright. Awesome. This. Alright. No, put that back. So let's put the outline. Obviously. Come on! Get out of here. Okay. So we've taken this in mostly. Key survival. First episode, boring. Second episode, yes. Third episode, even more badass. Stick around. Done. Done. Do you want something? You go through the door, stupid chicken. Oh, chicken. Yes. Only sleep at night? Bull crap. This is night. What? Only sleep at night. It's night. Oh my god. Come on. No, what? Okay. So, good first episode. Yay! It's day. Okay. So, first order of business again. Chicken. Oh, god damn it. Fuck's sake. Right? What? Alright. Alright. Why am I not using my wooden tools? I'm stupid. I guess I'll use them next time. Cool. This should do the outline. And then we'll fill in how much we can. No, we'll make another door. We will make another door. So that no monsters come in for the future. Because in the future... Alright. We'll keep this door in here for now. Because we don't need it. Alright. So far, so good. So, this is it. This is kind of it. There you go. Basic survival, kids. This is why I crafted tools. Don't need you. Done. So, this is how you mine. You punch the block. Really fun sometimes. And we're gonna go mining until we find a cave. This is the best way to mine. You get lots of resources and find a cave easily. You will see how easy it is to also see how I'm trying to keep your hopes high for commentary. Mining, mining. So if you guys don't know about fossils and archaeology mod, let me talk about it a bit. I'm collecting this. I'm gonna be collecting something that looks a bit black, but stone like with a black thing in it. That's a fossil. You can get biofossils, scrap metal, everything. You need to build an analyzer, and then it's amazing. The analyzer helps a lot. Because if there's a small chance in each biofossil that you will be able to get an egg, a dinosaur egg, not a chicken egg. And you just plant it and you have to be close to it, or there's special things, special biomes that your egg survives for different dinosaurs. And you need to put it in the cleaner, I believe, or maybe I'm confusing it with Pokemon. But pretty sure there's a cleaner. So this is the start of our mine. We're gonna go ahead and make a furnace, put it in our kitchen. And our kitchen shall be here. God damn it. Get away! Okay. We need to find a cactus so I can have a dustbin. So this we'll keep because we need it for farming. And this we will also take for stone tools. So that's how you make stone tools, ladies and gentlemen, with cobblestone. What? Oh. So, yes. Here you go. Stone tools. For now, this is all we have. I will make a separate chest for eggs and analyzers and fossil cleaners. So yeah, this is it. I have 6 crafting tables. I have an outline. I have a furnace. Next episode, we will, let me check what we will do. So we will continue our mine, get coal. Hopefully, if we don't, we will get charcoal. Then we will build more of our house, build more stuff for the analyzer, the fossil cleaner, and we will try to get fossils, biofossils and everything, and try to make an egg to Gaia. Bye bye.